Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have swatches for you on the Swam Gloss Westworld nail polish collection. Katie from Swam Gloss sent me her upcoming collection, and this is the Westworld collection. I was really excited to learn that she was sending me these polishes because I did watch Westworld with my husband, and even though it's not my most favorite show, it was a pretty good show for the first two seasons. The third season was a little for me, but it is still a good show if you are looking for something new to watch. These polishes will be available for pre-sale from November 27th through December 4th. The price for this will be $13 for a bottle or $42 for all four of them. And in this collection you are getting also a thermal polish and a glow in the dark polish. I do hope that you will enjoy my swatch portion. If you do, then please don't forget to give me a like. And of course, if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. And as always, you will find details on this collection and the release date in the description box, so definitely make sure that you also check out that section of my YouTube video. Let me know which one is your favorite. I kind of like everything, but probably I'm more into vampire colors, so probably Journey into Night, that's this darker vampy red color, is my personal favorite out of these. But as you will see in the swatch portion, I really liked all of them, and I would definitely recommend you picking up this collection if you are interested, especially if you are a Westworld fan. I will jump into the swatches now, so continue watching my video. Thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.